welcome. In this video today I have a Acer monitor, to 23-inch monitor today, Acer, and this monitor on a base stand. And if you want to remove this Acer uh, G236HL monitor stand, I will show you how you can do this, how you can remove this stand if you want to travel or send to your friend. And that's easier if you remove this base stand from this monitor for the transit. And this monitor has a quite 3-port HDMI, DBI and BGA port, and to connect power on this monitor you need a DC adapter, which is 19-volt adapter. You will need a center pin in there. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. So in order to remove the stand, I always suggest you guys leave in a flat surface and make sure you don't connect to the power. So first of all, we have to remove this screw to get access the internal screw to completely remove this stand from this monitor. So as soon as we remove this base will come up. So now you don't have to remove those two screws, which is not very important. But if you want to and you want to you waste your time, you should do it. I'm sure you can see more further deep there is a two screw. Those two screws you need to remove. So we will try to get access. Go fast when we removing, and we're gonna get into the second one. So I believe we done that. Try more. Unscrew it. Here you go, those to remove. Now is the time to lift this hinge from the monitor. This plastic cover come off once you remove those two screws. Now if you want to remove this hinge, simply you just need to press down into the clip there. So as we clip, this hinge will release from the monitor. This is how you can remove G236HL Acer monitor stand. So thank you very much for watching this video. Might help you.